Good morning, you guys. It is really early, currently 6:27 in the morning. This is how early, no, sorry, I got up at 4:30. Let me just say that. It's been rough. I got up at 4:30. An hour and a half to get ready, 30 minutes with the dogs. Now I'm leaving my house. I'm on my way to pick up Desi. Let's go. You're too soon.
She was quicker than this.
Oh, hello y'all. We're in Toronto. 2 hours later for me. We've made it. We have an event with Benefit this morning. Okay, you guys, so we are at the Museum of Illusions with Benefit this morning. It's very early, but I'm very excited to be here. So we are going to be doing and taking a bunch of cool pictures. Now you're just pointing yourself out. So we're going to take some cool pictures, experience a bunch of cool stuff. Are you ready to go? Let's do this. Let's go. This is a true mirror. It says stepping towards it enables us to see ourselves as others see us. So, that's how y'all see me. It ain't so bad.
Oh no, I don't know what to do.
It's okay, it's not that bad. Try it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's flipped.
Flipped. I feel like I'm drunk.
This is what it feels like to be drunk, I'm positive. Oh my god, oh god. This probably isn't coming off as well on camera, but oh my god.
I feel like I'm drunk.
Oh my god, you literally feel drunk. Oh my god, y'all, this room ain't for me. This room, bye. The little spots to stand on are Benefit, so.
All I'm seeing is you.
All I'm seeing is you. It's me.
Oh my god. It's so trippy.
Okay, so you guys, it's reflecting red, green, blue. Together on the wall, they're making a white wall. But when I stand here, you can see all three colors. How is that? It must be an illusion. So we're supposed to align our faces. Okay, wait. Oh my god! I hate this.
Staring apparently for 30 seconds.
Oh god, no, my hand's moving! Going into the infinity room. Wow, this is too many Desi and Tashas.
The world could not handle it.
Oh my god. We could start our own girl band. We could sing Hannah Montana song. What's the Hannah Montana song?
Let's let you make
it. So let's make it rock.
Make it rock.
Woo! Thank you and good night. Whoa, y'all.
This is trippy.
You could literally forget where the door is if you'd like. I was just saying that I want a room like that with mirrors so that I can check my outfit before I go out every day and be like, do I look good from all angles? This would be a great dinner party. Hey Tasha, what are you doing? Nothing? Oh, that's great. I'm also doing nothing. Desi, get out of here. I wanted to have dinner with myself. But dinner with myself and lots of Desis is okay too.
This fits both, but like, how?
Yo, what the heck? Somebody get me a tape measure. We are just waiting to go into this really, really trippy one, which apparently you come out feeling drunk, so exciting. Look at this. Wow, that's trippy. Am I gonna feel sick?
Probably.
Oh god, oh, you're turning. Oh, we're spinning in a circle, that's great. Okay, it just feels like we're going like this.
Oh my god, I can't even look at you.
Oh my god, trying to walk through this thing is like literal torture. You coming?
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. Y'all see how this is a square, right?
Oh no.
A freaking triangle.
I couldn't.
Why? We give up. What, did you do it? Oh. Emergency exit only, no re-entry. And Desi goes, they're just lying. That's my car.
This is where the doorknob should be.
Back down we go. It's probably so windy, but we are gonna go for lunch. See me at all. We are about to go to Good Rebel. It is a vegan grocery store in Toronto. Get some goodies, maybe get some snacks. My voice is getting a little raspy. Hopefully that doesn't mean I'm getting sick. Hopefully it's just like after post-wedding yellingness. Edible vegan shot glasses, y'all. Vegan advent calendars, that's so awesome. So we got two what were these?
Chicken.
They're chicken sandwich sriracha aioli thing sandwiches.
Lettuce.
Yeah, Desi,
bun.
You got good. There's a bun. I got one for me and one for Jordan because I'm gonna talk him into coming and getting one from me. I got this Deebs. I have no idea. It says made in Toronto, small batch coconut yogurt. My camera's dying. Did I bring another battery? Please hold. Back. I just had to replace the battery. Some vegan jerky for Jordan, because he really loves that. Obsessed with that. I got this vegan cheese because I've never tried it before. It's made by Amborg, cheddar style dairy-free shreds. Our friend Jess says that it's really good, so we are trying this because Jess said so. Peppermint marshmallows, because these are really hard to find. These are vegan marshmallows. Everything is vegan. I don't know why I have to say that. These are hard to find, but I like to make Rice Krispie peppermint at Rice Krispie squares, peppermint flavored at Christmas time. We just really got snacks. We got these. They're vegan protein gummies. Workout supplement, it says. Don't know, we'll try it. This tastes like a Crunch bar. If you guys like Crunch bars, but maybe you're vegan or newly turned, this tastes like a Crunch bar. And then we also got these. These are chocolate nog. I don't know.
I guess they're just chocolate and supposed to taste like eggnog.
Supposed to taste like eggnog, I guess. We're gonna try it.
Oh, not the inside I was expecting.
What the heck?
I don't think that's what eggnog tastes like.
It tastes like pumpkin pie.
/ banana bread.
You want mine?
I paid for it, I'm gonna eat it.
Oh, you want this?
Couldn't it be rewrapped? I'm sure it'll taste better once it's in the fridge. How much this water?
How old is it?
Mm-hmm.
I drank from it yesterday. That doesn't tell you how old it is, but
it's safe.
It tells you it's safe. Do you want to taste test your chocolate bar? Desi is not vegan, so she will be able to tell me for sure.
That is accurate.
That's a Crunch bar, right?
That's a Crunch bar.
It tastes exactly the same. How'd they do that?
Yeah, I know. That's a Crunch bar.
See, we don't need to be mean to animals because we don't need to. Good morning, y'all. So I am sick. That really sucks. I've gone almost like the whole year without being sick, so I'm pretty bummed. But I forgot to film an outro to the vlog yesterday. I didn't vlog much more. Just came home. Yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna go back to bed. Bye guys.